I'm on page 49 and I'm just going to look at the transactions and do the DAJ. Alright, so already I wrote next to it which journal is which. So the only transaction that will be in the DAJ is the 26. So when will you put something in the DAJ or Debtors Allowances journal? Either when you take or the debtor brings back some of the trading stock, or you will put it in the Debtors Allowances journal, or if the amount on the invoice that you sent to the debtor was too much and it was an accident, it was a mistake, and you had to make it less now. So you're basically giving them an allowance or discount. Alright, so let's look at number 26. Olivia Oliphant sent back trading inventory with original cost price of 1,000 Rand, and she bought on the 10th issue a credit note to her. So if it's DAJ, it will be a credit note. So it's number 33. So original cost price 1,000 Rand. So now there is the credit note number 33, day 26. Details of the debtor is Olivia Oliphant. She is debtor number 3, which we get here from the top. And the original cost price that we paid for it was 1,000 Rand. Now to get to the debtor's allowance, or this amount, which is actually the selling price. So I bought it for 1,000 Rand and I'm selling it for a bigger price. So to get a bigger number, I must multiply by the bigger number at the top and the smaller number at the bottom. Or I would say, the cost price, or the amount that I have, is 1,000 Rand. What I have over 1 times, and then whatever this is a cost price. So I must take the cost price percentage, which is 100, and I put that at the bottom. And I must multiply by the bigger number. I want the selling price. What I want, I must put at the top. And what I want is the selling price. So I put the selling price percentage at the top. So 1,000 Rand times 150 over 100 will give me 1,500 Rand. So there's only one transaction in the DAJ. So I just total it. The difference between these two will be the profit that we're making. So there's 500 Rand profit. We bought it for 1,000 Rand, then we sell it for 500 Rand more, make a 500 Rand profit, and we sell it for 1,500. So that's the DAJ for the example on page 49.